Assalamu alaikum. Good morning to everyone. I hope you will be fine. So today in this video we will discuss about how to make a good and impressive email so that we can get maximum reply to any professor to whom we are approaching. So guys, this is the first and most important thing whenever we are approaching to any professors. The first thing that he or she will look is your email. So your email should be too much impressive and short so that you can get maximum reply. So what you need to do, these are the things that you must need to include whenever you are approaching any professor in your research direction. The first thing is, please carefully look research direction in which professor is currently doing. So there are basically 2 to 3 ways you can do. The first thing, basically you can check the Google Scholar, write the professor name in the Google Scholar and then click on the year. So the highest or current publication will be shown on the first. So you can, in this way you can know that now this professor is currently working in this domain. Or the other, you can check on the ResearchGate. So but some of the professor are not updating ResearchGate, and even some of the professor are not updating their website. So Google Scholar is the perfect way. So first you can check the Google Scholar, then afterwards in this way now you can obviously know that this professor is working in this research direction. Now what you need to do, first briefly explain your own that, for example, my name is Sabir Hussain. I am currently pursuing PhD in the discipline of infectious diseases and public health, City University of Hong Kong. I have seen your research area, and especially now you are working on metagenomics, or you can say in whatever the professor is working on research direction. So this area is perfectly aligned with my research area, and especially you can check one of the article and mention that this article is perfectly aligned with my research area. So I wanna pursue my future research direction in this area. So if you have any opportunity, please let me know. I will be highly interested to join your research team or research group. Along with that, you can attach your updated resume as well, and then you can say that I have attached here my resume as well, and I will be very happy to provide any further documents that you want to know. So please reply me back if you have any vacant positions. So please make very short email, along with that concise and impressive CV. So please keep in touch. I will update you many scholarships, and along with that I will also let you know how we can make effective CV as well. Best wishes guys. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.